Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial we'll show you how to log in into your Hulu account quickly and easily. If you found this video very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Hulu website by typing www.hulu.com. Once you're on the Hulu page, look for the login button. You can usually find it at the top right corner of the screen. Or tap on these three horizontal bars and click on login. Now you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Hulu account. Make sure to double check your email and password to ensure they are correct. After entering your credential, click on continue, then login. And that's it, you'll be successfully logged in into your Hulu account. You can now start streaming your favorite shows and movies. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Happy streaming!